I'm here and I'm at the fireworks in Bloomingdale. It is currently Monday. It is 9:45 and we got them good stuff. I can use my phone for a good zoom. Yes, guys. Oh god, that is loud, guys. That is loud. Wow, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Oh, that's cool. This is a good view. I'm so up close. Oh, that is sick. Oh, it's bright though. Oh my god. That's really good for my eyes, man. That's really bright, man. That's cool. That's cool, but it's really bright. It's like, woo! Like, I wish all these trees were taken off, like. Oh, there's one. Whoa, that's sick, guys. Bro, you guys have to come here in person. It's wow, seeing this in person makes me feel. The bad thing is, like, I'm worried about the camera, bro. That's cool. I've been focusing more on the camera. Okay, it looks. Oh god. Okay, if I would have been. Oh, there's some going over there. There's some over there. Look at that way. Whoa. There were some over there, but like these are better. Those people are probably using illegal ones. You have to have like permits and stuff. Like, I don't know it, but I know you can get some are illegal and stuff. Yeah, guys. This is super cool. Like, I feel really good right now. Like, just being here is so cool, man. I wish I could have it all pictured out in front of me without getting burnt. Like, don't you like wish it would be like out in this open, seeing all of them like no trees? That would have been sick, guys. There is nothing better than this. I'm gonna go back a little. Pants all the way. Oh shit, I'm very nervous. I'm gonna go look for my parents right now. Okay, guys, I need to run. Okay, I see him. I just don't want to get lost, man. Alright, I see him. Man, I went all the way up close. I'm making a video right now.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's cool. And I can just zoom in. That was a huge one. Hold on. Alright, so you know guys, right there was currently, alright, you guys guys may have heard that. I'm not gonna say it, but remember guys, this channel is kid friendly, so if you heard that, I'm sorry. I try to keep this channel kid friendly. You know, there's people that you can't control people, so like, I'm sorry if there's any other language that you guys may disapprove of. Ah! That was sort of dumb of me though. But I hit my hand. I just slapped my hand on a prick tree. That hurt, but things are way cooler up there, don't you think? I was like all the way down there. There's some stuff going over there. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, just bad. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna go over there. Alright guys, we're getting up close. I just wanted to make sure I didn't lose my parents. That would have been bad. So there's like a guard right there. There's a guard, like a guy in a truck watching. It's like, I think we're gonna go out to the side. If not, we're just gonna, yeah, I don't think this thing can go on for a while, so I'm just gonna go right here and that's it. I don't want to be in trouble, guys. You can still see some sick stuff here, though. Guys, yeah, you guys really gotta check this out, guys. If you guys, okay, guys, if you guys want to shout out, just all you gotta do is like and comment. Okay, guys, just like and comment. You guys, it's just like and comment something nice, like, I don't know, like hope you had a great day that day or something like that. I don't know, but yeah. No, this is junk. I feel bad for these people. Come on, we're gonna go back. There's a guard. There's currently a guard there. I'm afraid to go back. I'm afraid to go back. I assume he's like in the middle of the pathway. I'm afraid I might. Okay, I'm just gonna carefully back up. Slowly back up, guys. I'm just afraid. Like, having a guard ride me, like, that's great, because, oh, you just don't want to get into that stuff. That stuff's, if a guard asks you to move, just don't fight your way out of it. Don't argue. Or just let him do his fun. You know, he's a fun blower. It's hard for me to record. It's think I'm walking the other way, but I still wanted you guys to get great info. Come on, guys. This is like a. This is a. Jesus Christ. Now we're talking. There was like a guy right there, but I was nervous. I don't know. Maybe he's still there. I can't really see. I'm gonna sit down right now. Yeah, so this is really cool. Oh God, my phone just fell. It's not really a big deal. What the? Okay. Sorry guys for the talking in the background, but you know that's how things are, you know. You can't tell people to be quiet, like I was saying before. Sorry if you guys disapprove of any language. Just note to self, I have no control of it over it and stuff like that. Like I am talking very quietly. If you hear any language, I am sorry for that. But you guys might not even be able to hear me, but other than that, yeah, I have no control of it. So other than that, that's it. I wish I would have brought a chair. Next time I'm bringing a chair. I am sitting on the ground. Alright, now this is what we're talking. Like, it's Jesus Christ, that's a lot of money right there. Oh God, Jesus Christ. Dad, you're probably gonna be one of the first people to see this. But guys, Dad, if you're watching this, by the time you probably have this, I'm probably already gonna ask you. I'll let you guys know later, but whatever. Guys, but this is really sick here. This is cool. Like I've seen many of these. I've seen a few of these, but whoa, that was huge. I'm sorry I didn't get that on camera, but I wish I could just like set the man, this driving is hard. Oh, I gotta bring my up in the car. I don't think I was supposed to be over there. But, like, I don't know. Luckily I didn't get in trouble, but I don't think I was supposed to be over there when I was close up. Like in the beginning, like when I when I like ran over there, and then I was like, wait, hold on, I gotta go find my parents like today. I don't think, yeah, I'm pretty sure I wasn't supposed to be there because there was like a guy running in. That is so I'm not surprised if that was the grand finale, guys. That was huge. Oh god, it's I'm not surprised if that was the grand finale. If not, I don't know. If that was not the grand finale, I don't know what to expect. I think that was. Fireworks are starting to cool down. Bro, guys, I couldn't see that well either. The bottom part where it was just like sparkling and stuff. But that was cool. There's some over there. Hey, what? That was not it. That was a hell of a finale. That was like, we forgot it. That was awesome, guys. If I see more, I don't know what to expect. Guys, that was better than yesterday. I wanted to make a video, but I didn't have my phone. My dad had it. But guys, you have to tell me that was a great finale. We're leaving right now. If I see more, I don't know what. Everybody, that was a great finale. So yeah, guys, hope you guys liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, so other than that, yeah, this video's like almost 20 minutes long. It's nice, right? Alright, I was recording it. I gotta post it. I have to admit, they were awesome. They were better than last night. Yeah, it's like man, it's like so much explosion. It was like man, it's like an atomic bomb. That's how much it is, but I doubt it's gonna be louder. I don't think it's gonna be a better one. On July 4th, they have to have something good, better than this. But that was so awesome. Tomorrow we going to the next one? No, the apartment. Yeah, we gotta go. But we have to go early. Yeah. Earlier. So we can go to the fair. Okay. Oh, I gotcha. Where are we going tomorrow? The Portlet one. Oh. Okay, guys. So that's it, guys. I know I've repeated this, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And other than that, that's been it. And yeah, so other than that, peace.